This is example 4.2.2. It says if a level gun fires a bullet from Y meters above the ground and a second bullet is dropped from Y meters above the ground, which one of the bullets will hit the ground first? So we're going to start by drawing a picture, and we're going to say, okay, you've got one bullet that's fired, and when it's fired it takes kind of a parabolic path. You have bullet number 2, which is dropped from identical height. It is moving straight downward. And you want to know which one will hit the ground first. Now, well, hopefully I do that right, but then they both have to travel a vertical distance of y. So we're going to go ahead and just take a look at our given information here. So separating out the x and the y, for the first bullet, the one that is fired, remember we're going to have two sets of given. We're going to have an x given, we're going to have a y given. Now our x given is going to have some sort of velocity. I have no idea what it is, but there's going to be a number there. In the y direction, since the gun is fired horizontally, we can say that the initial velocity in the y direction is 0. We can also say that it's under the influence of gravity, so we have this, and we can also say that the distance that it travels is y. So this could allow us, assuming that we knew y, to figure out what the time it was in the air. Let's look at a second bullet, the one that was dropped. It does not have any sort of x values at all. It only has y values. The bullet is dropped, so we can say the initial velocity is 0. It's still under the influence of gravity, negative 9.8, and then it is dropped from a distance of y. We could solve for the time. If you look, all of these variables match up. They're all the same. So as long as the distance is the same, the time will be the same as well. So it doesn't matter if you drop a bullet or if you fire a bullet horizontally, they will both hit the ground at the same time.